In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Razorpay to Shopify. Let's dive in and ensure your Shopify store is ready to accept payments seamlessly with Razorpay. First, you'll want to start by opening up your Shopify dashboard. Once you're there, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. Look for the button labeled Settings and give it a click. This is your gateway to personalizing and managing your store's operations. Among the various options available, navigate to Payments. This section is the hub for all things related to how you get paid. Within the Payments section, you're going to see an option to add payment method. By clicking on this, you open up a world of different payment providers you can integrate with your store. Now, we're specifically looking for Razorpay, so to streamline this process, click on Search by Provider. This feature allows you to quickly find the exact payment solution you need without wading through a long list of options. In the search bar, type Razorpay. As you start typing, Shopify will narrow down your options, and you should see Razorpay pop up. Select it, and you'll be well on your way to integrating a reliable and efficient payment method. Next, click on the Install button. This action will start the integration process, and you're just a few clicks away from finalizing everything. Follow Razorpay's setup process, which will guide you through any additional settings or permissions necessary to get up and running. Once you've completed these steps, take a moment to ensure everything aligns with your business needs and that your payment gateway operates as expected. However, there's something to keep in mind. If, for some reason, you don't see Razorpay listed as an option or after installation, it isn't appearing as a payment method, don't worry too much immediately. This situation often indicates that Razorpay might not be supported in your current country. It's always a good idea to double-check the available payment methods for your region and perhaps look for alternative solutions that Shopify supports in your area. And there you have it. Razorpay should now be successfully integrated into your Shopify store, ready to start processing payments from your customers. Remember, adding a secure and reliable payment method like Razorpay not only makes checkout smoother, but also helps establish trust with your buyers. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to make the most of your online store. Thanks for watching.